Hey everybody, Hunter 1930's original fan collector back with another video, and today we're gonna do another video of this Parrot Uncle Crestfield in my former bedroom at my late grandparents' house. As you can see, this fan wasn't gonna be up here for too much longer because this fan drops down way too low. Here's the light. Plus, we're gonna get ready to put this house on the market, so. Yeah, I hate to leave this thing behind because it still can get some use out of it. And we're going to start with low. And I believe the capacitor in this is also drifting too, so yeah. This thing is going to come down eventually. But not today. We're definitely going to take it down eventually, but not today because, you know, it is what it is. And low, as you can see, it's very nice and slow, but it's got a really distinctive humming noise to it. That's low. Looks very nice. All right, let's crank her up to medium. And I mean medium is really humming. This thing really hums. And it's probably due to the capacitor wearing out. This fan uses a 172 by 14 millimeter motor along with the 14-degree blade pitch. So this thing does have some power to it when it has a good capacitor, but man, this thing really hums. The light one more time because I am definitely going to get ready to take this fan down eventually. So runs just okay, but and here's high, and it's kind of noisy. As you can tell, high is not much faster between medium, so yeah, this thing got some capacitor wearing out. And there's probably the glass is loose too, so that's why it is noisy. And yeah, it is a nice looking fan, but just I wouldn't keep it in here because this. Plus, I need to change the capacitor in this thing. So there's a hum. I'm going to take you up and show you the airflow. Yeah, that is probably it with this thing. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching, and lots more videos to come, and we'll see you all next time.